So now we're going to apply what we just learned. So here, in the first problems that I did in the previous video, the points are already indicated on the line. That's not always going to be the case. You have to find you want to find nice points. You see, don't pick this one. You see that's how in no man's land, you're going to have decimal X and Y values for that. You want to find a point you only need two of them, but you see how this is a nice one where it's right there at the intersection of those whole values. There's another one, there's another one. Okay. So again, start with the one that's furthest to the left. Let's start with this one. I have to go up to get to that one. Whoops. So I had to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's positive. I had to go over 1. 3 over 1, which is just 3. Okay. Find two nice points. There's one. There's a bunch here. Start with the furthest to the left. We have to go up again. So I had to go up 1. And I had to go over 1, 2. Now be careful here. There's a couple points. Start with the one furthest to the left. But here I have to go down. I have to go down 2. So it's negative. And then I had to go over 1, 2, 3. Negative 2/3. Indicate points. Points. Again, I have to go down 1. So it's negative over 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you're counting the number of spaces that you move. Now here, there's nice points all over the place. I'm going to pick two that are close together, but be careful. Don't just say down 1 over 1. You have to look at these units over here. So like here, we're actually going from 32 down to 16. So we went down 16. That's actually down 16 because you have to look at the units. Now here, we're moving from 6 to 7, so it's over 1. So that slope would just be negative 16. So you got to pay attention to the units is what I'm getting at. Now, when we did the table ones in the previous video, some of you may have decided to just divide this by this, but that doesn't work. You have to do the carets out off to the side. You see, from negative 2 to 7, that's an increase of 9. From 1 to 4, that's an increase of 3. Change in y, put that on top, over 3 would be 3. And this would be units. You see, the top would be the y, that's degrees. So it's 3 degrees per hour is what we're talking about. Here, that's a 2, that's a 1450. You never want to leave a decimal within a fraction, so we would divide that. And remember, it's total cost, so that's probably going to be dollars per CD. Okay. Got some story problems down here. Remember, time is always in the bottom. Now here, it doesn't specify like beginning or end of the year. So if 03 to 07, that's a change of 4 years. 25,000 to 41,000, that's the change of 16,000. Remember, that's dollars. But we don't want to leave it like that. We would divide that out, and that comes out to $4,000 per year. Now remember, that's the rate of change. That's a $4,000 increase per year. Okay? His salary is going up by $4,000 per year. So you got to realize it's a rate of change. Johnny here, we're talking about what, 4 years again. His weight went from 220 to 175, so it went down. Because it went down, it's negative. And you can just leave it like this. Put some units on it, pounds. Down 45 pounds for every 4 years is what's happening. You could divide it out as well, but it's a nice clean fraction, so that works too.